our future in life. United we through liberty together we'll always stand.
Yes, we follow the content for the body. Our speaker, the law also provides for altering, for changing the budget if there is justification. I want to remind members again, and unless and until there is justification, do not attempt to alter the budget. But if you must alter the budget, follow the legal procedures and processes of changing the budget. Honorable Speaker, I hope that this time round, our technical staff will do justice to what the council has done and follow the budget to the dot as approved by the council. In my brief speech to the council, I begin by reporting that the national exercise that was concluded in Uganda recently was also successfully concluded in Agago, and Agago emerged among the best 10 districts in all of Uganda for successfully implementing the national census. However, Honorable Speaker, like any other good undertaking, there are challenges. And
this opportunity to thank the chairperson for his presentation and permit me to move that the council receive this report for discussion and it becomes a working document. I thank you.
Honorable Speaker, all the protocols observed, I am happy based on the presentation of Chairman's report to Council to second the motion that the report presented by Chair be tabled before the Council. Thank you.
I also speak of thank from Secretary else we want to be moved. So then the one coming to support is also say it will be tabled. I hope you have got the concept. Before we move forward, our members.
Going back to the address of the chairperson about the census, my sister has already elaborated some of the issues, giving only one service provider to handle the whole district was a bit messy, but I think technical was just joking. And he again called me back and said, man, is it true? Are you in the betting committee? I said, my brother, some of us, we know how politics goes around. You're going to be appointed, and I'm going to support you. And first of all, we did the hate bracket, though I'm older than you, but I'm going to support you. And I need to thank Chairperson. Maybe spiritually you are talking with Chairman. I vetted you spiritually. Thank you, my brother.
Honorable, don't think of coming back because in the new chair here, been now the place. We already now a president here, so you are not coming back. I want to thank you. I want to thank the chair for bringing you on board. The call for council arrangement for all the swearing. For call will move to the side. Chairman, it's like that because God wants to be guiding the chair at any time. So we'll use the seat to the side. You're most welcome.
human resource. Up to now, there's nothing that has been done. But if the district official, office of the cow, or even chairman yourself, you take time to go to the sub-county, Aaron, you'd find, I would feel it when we don't send that money to Aaron, if the still continue with the supported we have at the moment. Because as we talk, money for road fund for the other financial year, I don't know how it was used. Things in the roadway not supposed to be actually a culvert, just needed also that road over 10. From nowhere, 6 million is gone. But that one is worth 500,000 to a million shillings. So, Mr. Speaker, there's a lot which is going on in a room on administration as we talk now. We have one parish chief, 1 full year, he has abandoned office. And that's the parish chief of Alela Parish. Now, with the government program which is going on, how do we expect the people of Alela Parish to benefit from this project called PDL? As we talk now, city operates from Padel. And even Sapuni chief herself operates from Padel. So you can imagine the old chairman, everybody, most of the time, riding from a group. I could handle all things from Patton. Whenever it is defined or sign something, he has to come to Patton. The speaker is issued, whenever try to raise, they will refer there is transfer. Because I've read it more than enough.